Milwaukee M12 Pipeline Locator, the simplest locating experience. 2 omnidirectional antennas provide instant locating guidance from any starting point and increase sensitivity for precise locating. Directional icons showcased on a 4.3-inch color LCD display guide you directly to the point of interest, eliminating guess and check. Once the camera sonde has been located, a sonde icon appears on the screen, confirming its exact location. Line trace mode unlocks the ability to map out drain lines and assists in locating the camera sonde. The compass icon on screen guides and confirms when you are in line with the energized line. Powered by the M12 battery platform, this locator is IP65 rated and can withstand the harshest of job site conditions. Track and manage your investment with the one-key integrated tool security. The M12 Pipeline Locator, delivering the simplest locating experience.